subscribe with notifications on.
Guys, you need privacy, you know what I'm saying? Guys, there's so many things. I'll teach you guys how to make money, without, you don't need money to make money. You don't need money to start a business. I started my business without nothing. I will share with you. If you want to know how I started the business, just comment down below. I'll help you. It's very easy, you know what I'm saying? We need to stop this thing of reliance to the government. As South Africans, let's learn from these guys. Let's imitate them. That's what they are doing. Let us imitate them, what they're doing. Let us have this thing, the zeal to push ourselves to the limit. Let us work. But Runa, ayakobereka. Asifuna ukusebenza majita. Sifuna ukuhlala phansi, simamele, hey madoda. Hey, ngidatshana ichila papa. Angithi yazulu bayibitsa abantu. Ha, udatshana ichila papa. Hey. You'll eat dirty of your friends, Baba. In this world, you have to stand up for your own. You cannot be successful without God only help those who are able to help themselves. Modimo thusa bana ba ile hore ba thusa ha bona hore wa ikemella o khona wa emella a re kenya ngwanaka ke tla ho thusa le wena o bereke ube mogolo tswele pele bophelo ba gago. But you guys want to sit and lie and fold your hands like this. You want to cry to God and say, but God is not there. But you're the one messing up your lives. What is this? Huh? Guys, I don't know again, man. Guys, South Africans, I don't know what is it that we can do to help them. I don't know. When I was working, I remember when I was still working, guys, we had a tendency of going to buy doctor's notes. Even in my company, I still have that. People, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, they're nowhere to be found. Now I'm running a hospitality industry business. For me, there's no off day. Yes, the employees do get off days, but I want to offer for now. It's 7 days a week, 30 days a month, 365 days a year. You understand? So we will do this when we're still working. And that time, guys, I remember the time the doctor's note was very cheap. You spend something like 350 or 300, even 150. You guys will go buy a doctor's note. Just to say, whenever you are sick. And you know why we want to buy doctor's note? Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. I got to give babalas. So you want to go out there and chill, go to the pubs and drink and have girls and all those type of things. Guys, it's not healthy. It's not healthy. You are damaging your body. You are abusing your body. You will get tired quickly. We're running around with these girls and all those type of things that you're doing as a man. You are going to get tired quickly. The day you get married, you will never satisfy your wife. Trust me, she will be complaining about you because you are done. You are finished. You think by going out there drinking and all those type of things you are helping yourself. You are not. You are actually killing yourselves. You understand? So these type of things we must try to let us talk about it. Let us try to find a solution. How we can curb these things, sufferings in our own country, what can we do, and all those type of things. I mean, really, there's so many things that, as South Africans we can do. There's so many opportunities in South Africa. If these foreign African brothers who come into South Africa are able to see these opportunities, but we're not, as a South African, we can't see them. Why? What is your problem? Now, as a South African, I was able to see it. When I can't do. Now I have imitated those guys. I told myself, those guys will never, they will never beat me. Never. Never. Told myself, I didn't buy my car as Koloto. I didn't build my house as Koloto. I didn't go to the bank and ask borrow money. No, I used my own money. You can do it. You can do it. You understand? Stop. Umnandi guys, I will pay me. Pelamuntu. Nice time doesn't finish. Only a human being will finish. Are you getting my point? I have to translate because some other guys won't understand what I'm trying to say. So I'm trying to say this in English and also in my language. So those who doesn't understand my language, they can actually hear what I'm trying to say. But English is the universal language. Everyone can understand English. Do you understand, guys? So guys, let us try to love one another. Stop these attacks. Stop these attacks. You know, be like me, man. Be like me. Now I didn't go to school. Now I finished I went to primary school, got to this court, in breaths. When I was still young. I went to do my grade 6, go Hatan secondary school. Secondary school in Mamelodi. Standard 7, when they were striking, those people, when they were doing these riots and stuff like that, I said, fuck, they're wasting my time, these people. I was very brilliant at school. Brilliant at school. Number 1 at school. There was only one guy I was competing with. One guy. If Kiriki fainted now, maybe Kiswahili 95 out of 100, Kifaile. And I was worried. I would make sure. It was 100 out of 100. Mathematics, accounting, business economics, I neglected I was very dangerous in those subjects. But unfortunately, I couldn't finish school because of, I thought they were wasting my time. I just left, started going out to start hustling. If me, with my grade 7, right? You are sitting out there with degrees. You are sitting there out there with diplomas and stuff like that. But you can't do nothing for yourself. It's an embarrassment as a South African. And there's so many opportunities in South Africa. If you want to know those opportunities, maybe tomorrow I can make a video and try to explain to you guys what is it that you can do and so forth, how you can make money and all those sort of things. I'll come here on this platform. I'll make a video just to try and help you guys. You understand? No, I didn't go to school. For me, I didn't need education to be where I am. I don't need education. I don't need matric. I don't need to be educated to make money. No. Never. Look at this guy from Microsoft, Bill Gates. Bill Gates. Most of these rich guys, they are dropouts. Most of them, they are dropouts. They didn't go to school. So guys, let me just not talk too much, but anyway, we'll continue tomorrow. I'll make another video just to explain to you guys how to travel cheaper and what sort of, companies you can use, reliable companies that you can use to help you to travel. Like I said to you, I'm running a hospitality industry. I don't book through a travel agent because I'm a travel agent myself. You know what I'm saying? I do everything for myself. I book flights for myself. I book cruise tickets for myself. Book accommodation for myself. I do everything. Since day one, since 2012, I've never booked through a travel agency because they take commission to do all those type of things. But I book it for myself. So if you want to know how I do it, I'll help you tomorrow. Alright, guys? So, guys, thank you so much. But what I'm saying, my last message, love one another. You must remember, when you are jealous of someone, you are blocking your blessings. God will never bless you because you are jealous of somebody. God will never bless you because you are jealous of the other African brother. If you see another African brother successful, Go out there. Rather go out there and ask, my brother, how did you make it? Come to me, man. I'll help you. I'll tell you how I made it. Guys, I'm not rich. I'm not rich. But I live with what I have. Are you getting my point? But I'm better than to be going out there to look for a job. To wake up in the morning and go to look for a job. I don't do that. I wake up at my own time. If I want to wake up at 2 o'clock, I'll wake up at 2 o'clock. If I want to wake up at 3 o'clock, I'll wake up at 3 o'clock. Doesn't matter. But I still make money. So what I'm trying to say to you, as a South African, you are blessed. You are living in a blessed country. Why can't you use the opportunity? So right, guys, let us close the show for now. We'll talk again tomorrow. Right. I love you guys. Please, guys, when you comment, don't attack people. We're here to build one another. I wanted to just to come and clarify the situation. Why are we angry? Why are we like this? Why do we have anger? That anger is killing us. So guys, thank you so much. Have a lovely evening.